Ano po ito?
Ang lemonade. Blue lemonade.
Blue.
Okay po, our happenings and facilities of the hotel. Remember lang po natin, all rooms are strictly non-smoking po, including the balcony. We have designated smoking area po in front of the lobby. Our front desk po is open 24 hours. Dial 0 na lang po tayo may mga needs or may mga requests po tayo. Our Belmont Cafe is open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. po, including the in-room dining po. Last order po natin is 9:30 and our breakfast time is 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. po.
Okay.
We have our swimming pool po in the second floor, also the fitness center and the aqua spa po. We can access the party pool in Saboy. You can borrow a beach towel po in the concierge area, surrender your key cards na lang po.
Okay.
Our aqua spa po is 1 day prior reservation po tayo is required po. Here our happenings po, a sunrise watching po is a complimentary, morning meditation po is complimentary, also the Newcoast walk tour. Just approach na lang po if you want to book for it.
Okay. Dito rin
Dial
sa...
0 po. Opo, if ever po, dial 0 na lang po para pag-book po natin po.
Ano tong bike and brew?
Bike and brew po natin, we have our bike rentals po, electronic and manual bike po.
How much?
It's yung manual bike po natin is 500 and electronic po natin is 600 including the tour guide na po.
Yung 500 whole day na yan? Pwede?
Hindi po sir.
Dito lang ba?
po,
Dito lang yan, hindi sa buong island?
Hindi po sa buong island po. Also, we have our yoga po and every Friday 6 a.m. 200 per person and our Boracay Keyhole Tour po. This is the iconic keyhole po na dinarayo ng mga turista dito sa Boracay. Tandun lang po yan sa likod po natin, sir. Pero kung lalakarin po kasi siya, malayo po, sir. Kaya we offer 7:30 a.m. po and 4 p.m. po for 100 person po.
100.
100 per person.
Dito lang din kami.
Dito lang po rin po. Inform na lang po din kami, then we will book po for you.
Okay.
We have also a kayak and paddle board po. It's a complimentary naman po siya. Just approach the lifeguard in the Cove to po or in the beach so that you can avail po our kayak and paddle board. We have also a beach volleyball and football. It's a complimentary rin po.
Okay.
Opo. Dito po sa our complimentary shuttle service po from hotel po ito and ito po naman po from D-Mall po.
Okay.
Need po natin ng 3 hours prior reservation po so that we can book kasi napupunuan po kasi ito kung minsan po, sir. So mga 3 hours or 1 day before na magpabook tayo and then if ever po, pwede po tayo magpabook from hotel and pwede rin po tayo magpabook from D-Mall rin po agad. Tapos po yung drop on natin sa Jollibee D-Mall to Station 2 po, sa highway po. And 10 minutes before the scheduled time, nandun na po tayo sa Jollibee D-Mall po.
Kailangan may booking to?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Sige.
This is our reminders naman po. And this sa Wi-Fi po natin, yung username natin is guest and the password is BH Boracay po.
Thank you.
Okay po. Yung room po natin is 1522 po. Room po natin. The first digit po is the building and the second digit po is our floor po.
Floor number.
This is the second building po. We have naman first building na rin po. It was serve incidental deposit na lang po natin if ever po. For
How
only
much?
2,000 po.
Cash? Pwedeng card?
Opo, sir.
2332.
Opo.
Store, beach spot.
Ito pala magkano daw? Quick 50. Mura lang pala ba? 70, 50 ram. Fish balls, mga drinks pala may. Meron ding shake. And avocado loco shake. Tapos merong mga noodles.
Sari-sari.
At may
Ay, may
malaking
tiger. Ay, ang ganda din. Yan yung gusto ko. Ay, hindi.
Ang ganda. So, may mga pusit. Ikano kaya ito? Then,
Shake.
shake din.
Malambot pa rin siya. Di ba? Malambot siya na may parang konting bato-bato lang.